this isn't just a course, it's a decision to show up for yourself, to stop hiding, to stop settling, to begin again, this time with truth. My name is Sheldon S. Crocker, and Unleash Your Inner Strength is a 6-week journey I created from lived experience to help you rise above the patterns, pain, and pressure that have been holding you back. We begin by asking honest questions, not to judge, but to understand. Module 1 is all about self-reflection. Awareness is the first step towards transformation, and that step starts here. In Module 2, we move into the patterns that shape our lives, thoughts, emotions, behaviors, and relationships. You'll learn how to spot the loops you're stuck in and how to begin shifting them gently with intention. Module 3 goes deep. We confront the hidden battles so many of us carry: addiction, fear, stress, anxiety, judgment. Not to fix you, but to meet those parts of you with compassion and truth. Then we begin to rebuild. Module 4 focuses on self-confidence and self-compassion. You'll learn how to speak to yourself with kindness, the same way you speak to others you love, because you are enough. You always have been. In Module 5, we explore addiction more deeply. Not just what it looks like, but what's underneath. This module offers support, clarity, and release. You don't have to carry shame anymore. And finally, Module 6. This is where transformation becomes a way of life. You learn how to carry what you've gained into your real world with strength, with tools, and with purpose. This isn't about perfection. It's about showing up, curious, open, and ready. Ready to understand, ready to grow, ready to heal. Unleash Your Inner Strength, a 6-week journey to emotional empowerment and personal transformation. Join today. The journey begins when you choose to rise.